Welcome back, it's James the Forager here, and in today's episode we're going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious nettle pesto. Nettle, often a weed, is packed with vitamins and minerals and adds a delightful twist to traditional pesto. So let's get started. First we need to go out and gather our nettles. For this one we're going to be picking just the tops, so we're looking for the top 4 to 6 leaves of each nettle, and I always pick them with gloves on. These are marigolds, so I don't get stung, and I also look super fashionable. We start by adding about 20 nettle tops into our blender, then 100 grams of sunflower seeds. You can use pine nuts if you're feeling fancy, but I'm a bit stingy on the purse string, so I'm going to go with sunflower seeds. Next in, 2 garlic cloves, the juice of half a lemon. I'm going to use 2 basil tops from the garden here, and 1 tablespoon of yeast flakes. Again, you can use Parmesan cheese here, but I've got yeast flakes in the cupboard, so why not use them? I'm going to top this all off with about 80 ml of oil. I can add a bit later if I want to make it a bit more wet. For this one I'm using sunflower oil, so I want it to be a neutral flavour. You can use olive oil if you fancy. Grind a good salt and some pepper, and we're ready to go. I'm going to blitz this one up. So I'm going to chuck it into the blender, blitz it up. I'm going to leave it a little bit chunky because I do like the texture in there, but if you like it smooth, just blitz it for longer. And that's it. Pop it into a clean jar. We can store it in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Great, we've got our pesto. It's ready to be enjoyed. Use it however you would use your regular pesto. I love it on top of barbecued vegetables, but you can pass it through pasta really nicely, on top of pizza, in salads. There's absolutely masses of uses for this nettle pesto. Superfood pesto. Happy foraging, enjoy.